humble abode, and I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like after 3 months of decorating. I've been living here for about 3 months, and it's taken me 3 months to decorate this entire room. So let's start off over here. This is when you first enter. You have the wall there, and below you have the shoe rack. Yes, full of my cute little shoes. Perfectly fine. And when you walk this way, this is the TV console. Just want to let you guys know, always go to offer up or let go, because I bought this IKEA, it's a dresser, but I'm using it as a TV stand as well. I bought it for $25 on Let Go. This thing is $180 on the IKEA website. Make sure you look for used furniture. If you want used furniture and don't want to have to spend as much, I say go on Let Go or Offer Up. It's an app that you can put on your phone, and people basically sell and buy stuff off there. You never know what you can find. And a lot of stuff that I got here, I did get off of Offer Up and Let Go, so I would highly recommend it. So that's pretty much the TV console area, dresser. Next, we're going to go over to the sitting area. If I have any guests, they can sit over here with these cute little pillows. I got these pillows from Marshall's for 10 bucks. And the chairs, I've had these black chairs since I moved into my first apartment when I was like, I don't know, 23 or 24. So I've had them for like 6 or 7 years, and they're still good. And I got this little table and this rug both from Burlington Coat Factory. I've had that for a while, and I just got this little 5-tier stand from Amazon, and it was only 20 bucks, so I think that's a great deal. And I just think that this pillow is the coolest. It's a Fortnite pillow. If you guys don't know, it's a video game, and they do the stupid dance. Like that. That's the dance. So he's doing the dance, see? And it goes sequence, so oops. So it goes the other way too. But you can't really see the guy on here, but he's there. He's blue. But I think it's a cool pillow, so I bought it. I don't even play video games that often, but I thought it was cool. So next we can glide over here. This is my little love sign. Cute Amazon for like I think 17 bucks or something like that. My portrait, Sway Lee. I don't have a thing for Sway Lee, but I just love this picture. If you look on YouTube and YouTube hurt to look your way, that's where this is from. And it kind of moves, like the background moves. It's so cool. And oh, and I only paid $20-something for this, I think. It was either 20-something or it was either 20 or 40. I can't remember. I'm getting everything mixed up because I bought a lot of stuff. I bought this off of easycanvasprint.com. I believe that's what it's called. I'll make sure to have a link in the description box for you, because this is a pretty big picture, and the original price was like over $100, and they had a big sale, and I think it's just like their everyday thing. So you can buy a canvas, and I just sent them the picture and I got this back. So I thought it was really cool. I always wanted it in my room, so cool. And this is my little sitting area. I like to sit here and watch TV, edit my videos on my lap, whatever. This is where I just keep all of my keys and remotes. I've had this little table here since I moved into my first apartment as well. This has come a long way with me, with the chairs as well. This is Min Min's, my dog's bed. She loves her little dome because she loves to sleep under the covers. That's her little area. And then dots. Oh, and then my dots. As you guys can see, this is not wallpaper. These are actually like peel on, peel off. You can peel in, peel off. They're from Amazon as well, and they are, I don't know the exact price, but I know they were either $10 or less. I can't remember how much they were, and they come 120 in each pack, so that's a lot. If you really want to fill up a wall, that's a lot. I bought 2 just to make sure, and as you can see, it's cute, right? So next, if you move over here, the bed. is where all the magic happens. Psych. Just kidding, Mom. No magic happens here. The only magic happens on this bed is sleep. That's about as good as it's gonna get here. Or is it? I'm just like, that's my sister's painting. She's an artist. She passed away. I've been carrying that since she passed away. So, and I think it goes well with the theme in my apartment too, because I have a lot of pictures of black women in the apartment. There's one in the bathroom, and there's one in the front room, and there's actually two in here. I will show you the other one later, you know, in a few seconds. But that's my sister's painting, so that always goes with me as well. This here bench, I just recently got this. This is probably the most expensive thing I got in the room, and it's literally was only $80 on Amazon, and it's so comfortable. It's like that, what is it, plush, what did you call it?
Microfiber. Microfiber
Or plushy feely type of fabric, just like the comforter. My dog loves it, and this is just so comfortable. I don't sit on it like this because I value it too much, but I'm just doing it for the video. But it feels lovely. It's very comfortable, and I rarely sit on it. It's more so just for decorations because, yes. And so, the last part of the room, another black woman. Yes, this is a big tapestry that I got for Amazon. I got that on Amazon for $12, and it's huge. Look how big it is. It covers basically the whole entire wall, and it goes with the color scheme too. Blue, pink, green, the white sunglasses, the curly hair. We both have curly hair. Yes, girl. Get it, get it. And this is just another sitting area. Sitting area. These 1, 2, and 3 have come with me a long way too. They're not new. This one is new. This Lake Life pillow. I bought this from Marshall, and I also bought this from Marshall too. This one was $12, and this one was $10 as well, so they were on sale. And the last thing that I want to mention, okay, I know everybody has one of these from YouTube. You can make a desk out of 2 of these. All you have to do is just buy 2 and then place a topper on it. But stupid me, I only bought 1 trying to be cheap and waited to buy the other one, and I guess Michael's caught on to everybody trying to buy these, so they just don't put them on sale really anymore, because I bought this one for $30. They had a coupon, and I was able to get it for $30. They don't put this on sale anymore. I mean, it's on sale, but Michael's coupons are only for regular priced items for the most part, and they don't have any more sale coupons. So I was able to get this half off of the sale price. So that's why I got it for $30. And so now they don't have those coupons anymore, so you can only get this for either the original price, which is $110, which honestly, this is not worth $110, or you can get it for $60. That's the lowest that I've ever seen it, and that's it. Or you can use the half off coupon, and it can be $50 from the original price, which I'm not doing that. Sorry, I'm just not. So I just won't have a desk, but it makes great for my little makeup console, my candle, perfume, everything. So that's pretty much all the room. It's here. I love it. So guys, this is the video of my room. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to thumbs up. And if you really like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe to AngieBTV, and make sure you click that little bell down there so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.